Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow raids from channels on the Twitch website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and tap on this profile button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on channel. After that, scroll down and click on the channel or customize channel button on the right side. Then you will be directed to this left side column and click on settings, and within settings you can find the stream subcategory. After that, you should scroll down to the raids section, and here by tapping on the first button you can allow raids from channels that meet the following requirements that you need to type in, such as the minimum number of viewers to the first bar, then the maximum number of viewers, and you can set the minimum account age in days, and you can also deny all of the raids. You can set these requirements or criteria such as my teammates, channels I follow, channels on my suggested channel list, and so on. When you are done, click on the Save Changes button down below and the raid section will be updated. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.